Hi there, you're listening to What's New Today, a kids and family podcast channel. This is your host Sangeeta from India. This is part 5 of our Harry Potter book review podcast series. I'm joined by Manisha Maheshwari. She is a passionate educator and she gave a group of primary and middle schoolers some book review worksheets to fill in ahead of this recording. Let's hear from them.
Now imagine if you all were actually like at the age of Harry and you all were expecting to get a letter from Hogwarts. What do you feel? How many of your parents would have actually hid that letter from you or might have, given it to you?
Like our parents would have probably given it all to us because over here everybody knows that we are all avid readers and we have read at least one book of the Harry Potter series.
To go and explore the world of Harry.
It makes sense. Nobody will believe it, but still.
I doubt we'll all be at Hogwarts because in Hogwarts is in Britain, so I'll probably be invited to a magic school in India.
If we get the letter, our parents will probably not recognize the letter. Then they will probably still give it to us to read aloud for the whole family to hear.
If I would get a Hogwarts invitation, and even if I won't be excited, my mother would be excited more because she likes to go on adventures quite a lot. So she knows that it will be a new experience for me, and soon enough, I learn quite a lot of things there. So yes, my whole family would be fascinated to let me go to Hogwarts.
Yes, my parents will also allow me to visit Hogwarts. I will also have a great time there and make new friends with whom we can have a duel.
I imagine how your playdates will actually look like. Okay, Via.
My parents would allow me to go to Hogwarts if I got a letter because my entire family likes to read Harry Potter.
Obviously, my mother or my father will not hide the letters from me because they know I'm pretty adventurous and I always like learning new things. So, they will be more excited than I will, honestly. And then, I don't think they will hide the letters from me or stuff like that.
I don't think my parents will stop me. But I think they will hesitate a little because it's all the way written.
I've read about 5 books and I keep telling a little to my parents. They have liked everything I've said, so that's why I think they'll allow me to go to Hogwarts.
Listening to the Harry Potter stories, only the parents are going to get convinced and allow you to go to Hogwarts. Oh, wonderful. That's really nice.
My parents would allow me to go to Hogwarts because I'm very big fan of Harry Potter and I would just like do anything to step in Hogwarts. And if suppose they don't allow me, then I will just leave and I'll go there and write a note. Because what if I get late?
Yes,
detention on my first day.
Detentions on the first day, and we really don't want you to be.
You'll have to use Ron's flying car.
And almost get expelled.
I think my parents would allow me because they've always made me make my decisions on my own. So like if I want to go, I can go, and if I do not want to go, I'll not go. So like I really want to go there, so I guess they'll allow me. And as for like safety and all, I'll have to convince them, and I'll have to write them a letter every week.
So our parents are not muggles, they are wizards. So they will definitely allow us to go to the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
It's Hogwarts and it's school for magic. They might not think that it's a real school for magic and they might think that's a joke. But eventually when letters start pouring in continuously from actual owls, they will definitely believe this. So I don't really think I'll go to Hogwarts. If there's a visiting school in India, why not just go there?
But you would definitely like to try a wizarding school, right?
Yeah, exactly. And most likely my mother and father will allow. Wait, once again, Amma, if I got a letter from Hogwarts, would you allow me to go? She gave me a thumbs up, yes.
Alright, that was really wonderful and exciting. The mother instantly gave a thumbs up.
If any of our listeners thinks you might get a Harry Potter acceptance letter, here's a quiz question to test your knowledge of Hogwarts. If you get the answer right, look out, there might be a letter coming your way through an owl. And the question is, who said this? Before we begin our banquet, I would like to say a few words. And here they are: Nitwit, Blubber, Oddment, and Tweak. If you're listening to this on YouTube or Spotify, leave your response via comments below. You can also email me on hello@wsnt.in. If any of our young listeners would like to be a part of our book review club, you can register using the link I'm leaving in the show notes below. I'll see you in the next episode.